and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and happy Fansells Friday, everybody. I have two paintings to share with you today and some new storage. It's a little bit different. It's over here, but I am going to show it you. First up though, I'm going to have a look at the diamond paintings that I've chosen for today. So they're actually both a 30 by 40 painting, both ones that caught my eye. So this is the first one, quite simple roses in the moonlight, but stunning nonetheless. It's amazing how the colours of flowers look so nice in a diamond painting. So it's a 30 by 40 with a diamond painting area of 24 by 34 centimetres. It has 23 colours and it does come with DMC numbers. It's using all letters of the alphabet, so quite easy to follow. Repeat those symbols in your head as you're placing your diamonds. It does come with a toolkit. And here are the gorgeous colours. So we have some beautiful blues, as you can imagine. But look how, especially some of these coral pinks, really pop within the blues. I love seeing all the diamonds laid out. That's going to make a picture, and just look at that sort of colour scheme with the picture behind. I think that is going to turn out absolutely gorgeous. We do have a little bit of white as well. It's 3865, but not too much. We do also have a little bit of black tucked under this burgundy, but again, not too much, but you do need it for some of those shadows. So that's painting number one. Painting number two is also a 30 by 40. Not quite as bright, but I still think a different kind of beautiful. So this one is going more to the greens. I can just imagine walking down that beautiful path. So that is the image close up. It is a round as well, sorry, they are both rounds. This one has 21 different colours, does come with DMC numbers. Absolutely gorgeous. This one uses numbers and letters. There is quite a bit of black for the background of this one, but I think these colours here are gorgeous. We do get a toolkit. This one comes on a strip. So let's get in it and have a look. So we've got, ooh, gorgeous, beautiful turquoise. We've got quite a few browns. We do have 2 packs of 310 along with your 169. It's your greeny grey colour. And then look at all these gorgeous greens. We've got some beige, brown. It's a very nice sort of muted greeny blue colours rather than straight vivid green, which is what I think makes it look a lot more subtle in its colour scheme. Maybe that's what drew my eye as well. It's not, I do love a bright lime green. Anybody that watches this channel will know I love a painting with a pop of lime green. But I do also, on the flip side, love some of these more muted things that I could imagine tucked in different corners of my home. Not so much look at me neon light, but can you see me? I'm beautiful. And that's the sort of thing that I think of when I look at this one. So they're the two paintings that I chose to show you today. Quite a bit different, but there is styles to suit everybody on Fansells. So do make sure that you go check it out. What I also got was they do have some new storage containers, and these are a firm favourite of mine, storage container wise, but with a twist. So this one is a heart-shaped container. They have a few, so they do have a round one as well. They do have a couple of different patterns, so they have white with butterflies as well. So there's a few different options, so do check it out. Have I got it up the right way? No, that's the way I need it up. Make sure I've got my heart the right way. But this is a 60 bottle case. So you still get 60 bottles in here. You do get some stickers for popping on the top, and they are the full size bottles. So with some containers you only get the half size. This is the full size, and you get 60. So if you fancy a 60 bottle case with a little bit of a difference, then maybe a heart or a circle is for you. This one also comes with a load of accessories, which I didn't realise. I just fell in love with the storage. But anyway, these will always come in useful. So let's show you all the different storage things, and there is more. We have a funnel, so you can use this to help you fill up your bottles. It just pops open and you can sit it in the top of your bottle to feed your diamonds in. If you like to make a mess. We have a blue theme going on, so you do get some extra baggies, and then we have a couple of the trays, just like the green ones that comes with the kits, but of course these are blue, hence the blue theme. We have a variety of different pens all with single places on, but then there are a few different multi-places on the other end if you want to give multi-placing a go. We've got those. We've got a set of plastic tweezers. We have a load of blue wax. If you like using wax, the blue wax is often nicer than the pink. And then you do get a larger tray, which has a little drop down option for the spout. So if you're doing one with a lot of one colour, a bigger tray can be handy. Also get, oh, what's this pen? This has the tips separate. Oh, it's one of those that sends your mind a little bit funny. Sends your eyes a little bit funny, but that's pretty. It's this little spiral twisty one. You do get a single placer, which will go in. It'll just need a bit of force. And a multi-placer in there. Looks like a 6-placer. You also get, the gift that keeps on giving, you get a bag with extra single placers, couple of multi-placers and a straightener. Then we also get little squishies. These are for popping onto your pens, just to help give you a bit thicker grip. Can be a little bit easier than the slidey pen, and sometimes it just makes it a little bit wider so it's comfier to hold. And then I think last but by no means least, we get this little zip up pouch, and I zipped it up, of course I did. Little zip up pouch. This is made of a plastic, a little bit thicker than a standard sandwich bag. But would be nice to hold all your bits together, or maybe hold some of your extra diamonds when you've kitted up a painting. If you have a few extras left over, you could bob that into there. Oh, and I did forget, you also got a straightener, so this can help you to nudge your diamond straight, or even when you start a painting, if you line it up on the outside edge and then use that when you're placing your diamonds to stop you scooting off the end. They can be very, very handy for that. So you also get one of those. So all those extra little goodies within. But this is what got me excited, because it's another type of storage. And I love storage. does have the pocket in the top, so you can pop extra diamonds in or a few different bits, and then you can carry it with its carry handle. Say there's a few different designs in this. There are some plain ones as well in the heart shape. There's also some that are round. So if you're after something just a little bit different to take your diamonds, or even just to kit up in your own home, then do check out the link for this. Of course, I will also put the links for these two paintings, but go and have a nosy. You can see, you can separate by tools, storage, have a look what options they offer, or of course you can just go to new arrivals, or you can just type something into the search bar and see what comes up. Have a bit of fun. Try not to get lost for too long, but thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.